Morning again, guys. I'm down now on our new development, Primrose Way, in Primrose Way number uno. I think that's right, number 1. So I'm in the gorgeous, gorgeous Hayward Lodge. Look at that, so nice. So we've got a stunning kitchen area, absolutely stunning. You've got your dishwasher, oh no, washing machine. And now you've got your dishwasher, a beautiful kitchen countertop, integrated microwave and top oven with grill and full oven at the bottom. You've got your fridge and freezer, lots of space here. This is actually just a dream. Look at the size of this place. So now in the lounge, you have gorgeous, gorgeous sofas. Really, really comfortable. A really nice chair. Gorgeous media unit. What is crazy in here, which is hard to get across on the video, is just how big and how nice the finish actually is. So let's go through. This is a 3-bed, but you can see the rooms are ginormous. So you have full-size proper beds. Really nice, obviously, like really nice headboards and finishings everywhere. Nice space there. And then, wow, look at this bathroom. Again, it's massive. So you've got obviously your toilet, basin, bath, shower screen and heated towel rail. And then through to here we have another one of the twin rooms. And again, really nice big proper sized beds. You've got your dressing table and double storage there. So again, really nice size room. And then the master bedroom. So really gorgeous master bedroom, loads of space. You've got really nice dressing table area there, but look at this, guys. So you have this area here off the master bedroom that you walk through, and inside we've got really amazing wardrobe space, if you can see that. So you've got loads of storage, hanging rails, shelves, massive bit of storage there. And here, the ensuite, you've got shower, toilet, basin, heated shower, a towel rail, but again, just so much space and really, really nice attention to detail. One of the really nice things about this is obviously you've got your front opening doors as you would, but look at the view from this dining table right here out there onto our lake, and I can see the family of ducks just out there at the back of my car. And that is just so, so cute. So yeah, just sit here watching everyone fishing. It's absolutely gorgeous, overlooking the lake. Oh, and look. Hello, summer. So guys, if you wanted to come and view this or any of the other stock that we have, give me a call. My number's 078 6767 4308. We are located at Holiday Resort Unity in Breen. So we have an abundance of facilities. There's a fun fair, water park, swimming pool, soft play, gym, a fishing lake, a country club with an 10 different venues for food and beverages across the resort, bowling, arcades, crazy golf. Honestly, just so many facilities. There's like fish and chip shops, Indians, Chinese, just an abundance of stuff. The Wonky Donkey, the brand new entertainment venue, is opening as well this weekend. Don't miss that. So guys, have a great week. Give me a call if you need anything, 078 6767 4308, and we'll do park tour, view any stock, talk to you about special offers. We've got really great offers on at the moment with our GLA for 2 years. We've got a lodge event on at the moment as well. So guys, pick the phone up, give me a call, drop me a message, follow me on here, comment, however which way you want to get in touch, and I'll get back to you. Thanks, guys.